All right, how's it going, everybody? So this, I'm going to show you guys it's called our Strike Trader Elite trading system. I'm going to show you guys a little demo of it and kind of what we have going on as far as how many platforms it's developed on and a couple other bonus extra features. So let's go ahead and get into the actual system. So the trading platforms that it is available for is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, NinjaTrader 7, and NinjaTrader 8, and then also TradingView. So these are the current platforms that the Strike Trader Elite system is going to run on. So you're not going to be able to use the system if you don't have any of these platforms. And so what markets can you trade it with? You can trade it with Forex, stocks, options, cryptocurrency, and also futures. And so the win rate, this kind of give you a general overview of the win rate as far as with our strategy, what we've been testing, and these change over time. But this is just what we have tested it. This is at a 2-to-1 reward risk ratio. So the 15-minute time chart, we were able to pull in roughly a 70.4% win rate with it. The 30-minute chart, we'll also be able to do around 70, and then also the 4-hour chart. So you can see here that it's going to be able to be used on different time charts and different markets. And so here's a little blurb about the different things that you're going to be able to receive, and I'll hit on some of these later on as well. But you're basically going to get unlimited access, lifetime access, once you go with this through the subscription. Once you keep your subscription, and you're going to be able to get MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 8 or 7, 8, and then TradingView platform, like I said before. Those are all going to be included. There's no extra hidden costs or anything like that. That's included inside your membership. You're going to get a lifetime support with us. You're going to be able to hit us up at any time. We'll jump on a call with you. We'll chat with you. We'll do whatever you need to answer some of your questions. You're going to get special access to a members area, which I'll show you here in a little bit. You're going to get unlimited access to our report vault. We got hundreds of reports, so we threw those inside a nice little vault, so you're going to be able to get that. We have a chat group, a specific chat group, and here I'll show you that as well. And you're, like I said, live chat. We have some trading alerts. The indicator shoots out a ton of trading alerts, so you get that as well. We have a nice Strike Trader Elite rewards program, so if you stay with us a certain amount of time, you're going to be getting rewarded with some things. And I believe if you're with us for a year, you'll be getting a nice little Amazon gift card from us, from our team. So it's a nice little reward program we have set up with the Strike Trader Elite. You also get badges. There's members only badges. If you're sharing the charts with the community, if you're giving us some feedback, if you're doing a lot of stuff, we got some badges for you. We also got a live trading room inside our group. One of our members hosts a live trading room five days a week. So that is also included. Then we got a couple bonuses with mobile access. You're going to be able to use the indicator on your phone, and then there's also members only training. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and let's just take a look at what it looks like on some of these platforms. So I got all the platforms brought up for you guys, and so let's start off. Actually, let's go ahead and start off with the chat group. So here's a little example of what our chat room is. And so we have the ranking, promotion, introduction. So here's our signals, and we have some of the members of our team, some of the community. They're all sharing their charts. They're all sharing ideas. They're talking. They're communicating and about the system. So if there's any questions, some of our members ask them in here, and other members answer, or some of our staff will answer it. But there's always going to be somebody to answer any of your questions about the Strike Trader Elite system. And you can see some of our members actually even get promoted as well. So that's really cool and fun for the community. We also have a place to ask for updates and requests, and then we also have a place where we share our TradingView observations, and we also have some price action training. This is training is with our actual price action group. So this is actually a price action group. Tim likes to talk about price action because that's what he trades. So we actually just threw this in here as just a free bonus if anybody wants to just learn how to trade and kind of learn different price action techniques. Tim will be glad to help you out there, and he actually he's very, very knowledgeable in the markets, and so that is something that we threw in here as well. There's a few other things like something with support, and then we got voice chat. We can actually traders can actually talk with each other live. So that's really nice. That's really fun. That's our private members only group. Now everybody in this group is a member of the community. There's nobody else that is. This is just a private only. Like you're not going to be able to get access to this today unless you subscribe to Strike Trader Elite. And so let's go and take a look at the members area. So here's the nice members area. We tell you to, obviously get access to the group right whenever you sign up. And we kind of show you exactly what to do as far as installing it on each of these platforms. We tell you how to set your charts up. We tell you how the basics, the system use, how you use the push along with it, the TradingView tutorial. So you kind of get the understanding of that. We're in here and we're showing you exactly how to use in this system and exactly how to trade with this system. So all this is included in your membership. There's no extra fees, there's no extra upsells or anything like that. All of this, everything you've just seen so far is included in the membership. So now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the platforms. So here we go. This is the TradingView version of the indicator, and let's go ahead and put that on there. It looks like we got it on there twice. Okay, so we had it on there twice, got rid of that. And so here's the signals. So it's going to shoot out exactly. You can actually set an alert when this happens, and here's actually where it would have you would have went long, you would have bought. And this is actually Apple, as you can see here. This is Apple, and you can see that was a nice little entry. That was a nice little take profit there. Same thing here. It told you to go short here, and this is where you would have taken profit. So there's nice two trades. This is just Apple here, and it looks like here's another winning signal as well. And so that's the last three signals. So that's just Apple, and there's also a nice strategy tester, and sometimes you'll see that this is taking every single signal, and a lot of most traders are not going to take exactly every single signal, but you're going to be able to see either a graph going way up or going straight down. You're going to see the percentage, but again, if once you learn the Strike Trader Elite system, you know what to look for, and so you're not going to exactly take every single trade. There's some price action, a little bit of price action techniques involved in getting in trades, and so, but this is actually really nice because you'll be able to test any time frame, any pair, and you'll be able to see kind of the results that you may get with that. So this is the TradingView version. This is also available on mobile, and there's really no way I can. I guess I might be able to show you it, but really, how it'll look on mobile. This is kind of what it would look like. Something like this. Just picture this as your phone, and so this is basically exactly what it looks like on mobile. And we actually have some videos of a live demonstration of it on mobile. So if you wanted to see that, you can go ahead and look at that as well. This is kind of exactly what it would look like. So it's going to work exactly the same. It's just going to be on your mobile phone. The reason for that is because TradingView is web-based, so you'll be able to use them on literally any device that you have. So that is really nice, and we're really happy to get it on TradingView because you'll be able to trade all these different markets. So let's go ahead and jump off of TradingView, and let's look at it on MetaTrader 4. This is actually where it was originally developed for. And so this is MetaTrader 4 platform. If you've never seen it before, you can go in and just look up some videos of MetaTrader 4. It's a really nice platform. It's been around for many years. So this is why we definitely wanted to get it on this platform. And so you can see here that it gives you everything you need. It gives you the entry. It gives you the stop loss, where you're going to place your stop loss. Now, do remember that this is not an automated trading system. This is a system, but this is just an indicator, and then you have the decide to make the trade or not trade it. So you're going to have to come up here, and seeing this is the demo account, I did see this signal right before I did this. We can actually go ahead, and this is kind of exactly what you would do. You hit the buy, and then you drag your stop loss, and then you go for your take profit, and that's literally all you do. How I saw this right before I actually was going to make this video for you guys, or I do this demo for you guys, is I saw this alert come up. So I'm like, okay, this is perfect. So I actually wanted to show this exactly how you can trade with this system. And this is far from a regular. It does use a little bit of MACD, but it uses a couple other things. This is all custom. This is all our strategy. And so if you see this and you say, well, this is the MACD, I can trade this. Well, no, you can. It's not exactly that, because we have some delayed entry methods, and we have some specific things we look for to signal these. So if you're just trading this cross, you're gonna get taken out a lot. So we actually have some stuff, and you'll be able to learn a little bit about that inside the members area, inside some of our videos. So yeah, here it is, and you'll be able to adjust any of these settings. If you wanted to come up here into the settings, and so here's all of the settings, and you're going to learn exactly how to do all this, but I kind of just wanted to show you what you'll be able to adjust. So you're going to be able to adjust. There's many alerts. There's alerts on the zero cross, and it alerts you the stop loss, stop order, triggered, take profit, stop loss, so all that good stuff. So everything that you see here, it's going to shoot out an alert for you. And I'm going to show you, I think I had one more here. So this is what it looks like when you actually get a triggered trade, and then it hits that take profit. So you see here, if this would come up and hit this take profit, this is going to look exactly like this. This is actually, you would not get in the trade here until it hits this, until these dots start to turn teal, and start to turn that teal color there. And this is actually where you get the alert to buy. So if you would have bought here, this would have been a great trade. Now, we're not done yet, technically. Now, the strategy says you can get out here, or you can continue to build on that trade. So what we do is we move your stop loss from here to up here. So you're in profit. So now if anything happens, and say you would have moved your stop loss here, boom, you would have got stopped out. So you would have got a nice would have got maybe 15 pips there. So that would have been still a nice trade. But if you didn't use this moving stop loss, you'd still be up here, still be up good. But if you're using our trailing stop method, you would have got taken out here. Or you can also, there's two options. You can actually take an additional trade and then also put your stop loss here. So if that would have been the case, then you would have got taken out here. So you'd probably be broken even at this point. But either way, there's some different methods that you can do based on the strategy. It all works exactly the same way. If once you start seeing this come down, then you're going to want to start to think about getting out of this trade. So this is the MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5 looks exactly the same as well. And then lastly, we got NinjaTrader, and you see NinjaTrader here, exactly the same signals, exactly the same strategy, just looks a little bit different here. So really they're all relatively the same. Some of the TradingView version's a little bit different based on how we had to have it set up. It uses a calculation of the ATR indicator, the average true range, and it shoots out some the stop loss and take profit. So you'll be able to use it easily on any time frame and any pair. But you can see here, this would have been an entry. We have a trailing stop, and then you would have take profit here, or if you kept it in, you would have got stopped out here. So they all work the same way. They all kind of look exactly the same. But yeah, so it is available on all those different platforms. So that's the basics of all of the features that you get with Stike. And if you have any more questions, you're going to be actually coming over to this link. It's info.tradingstrategyguys.com/StrikeTrader Elite. And you'll be able to see a lot more about our system. We added in some other stuff in here that I really didn't get to today, but I covered most of this. So yeah, any other questions, feel free to just go this. We'll throw this link in the description in the chat. And please use, I'm not sure what our discount code is at this time because it might change over time, but if we got a discount code for you, use that coupon code. We'll give you some percentage off. If there isn't, hit us up. We'll give you one. We're more than happy to do that for you guys. So again, if you have any questions at all about this trading system, and you're looking for a trading system and you're wanting a winning system, come on over and give us a shot. There's really no risk. We have a 100% refund. If you are not satisfied within the first 30 days, we will give you a refund. So there's really no risk. There's people that it happens and they get it and they say, well, it's actually not for me. That's fine. We give you a refund. But other than that, I mean, if you guys got any questions, hit us up at info@tradingstrategyguys.com, or you can come to our website. We have a chat bubble. You can just come chat with us on Facebook. We'll be more than happy to answer some of your other questions. So thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and get yourself over here to Stike Trader Elite. Go check out, read some more about it if you want to. If it seems right for you, go ahead and make that decision, and we will see you inside the group. I'm actually the admin of this group, so I'll be more than happy to communicate with you. I'm always talking with people. I'll get on a live voice chat with you and kind of show you some other stuff if you need it, other help. We're always here to help our members. So, all right, guys, appreciate sticking around, and we'll see you inside the members area. Thank you.